What is going on, guys? Finally made it back to the river. We are at Lower Canyon Lake today. Canyon Lake is over there. That is the dam. And we are going to be kayaking the Lower W.E.T today. They just stocked 1,000 trout. Every Friday they stock about 1,000 trout. I think they have about 3 more weeks of stocking, and then they're done. We're going to be doing about 4.5 miles today. We'll be going to Whitewater, so at the end of this video I'll put kind of a map where I started and where I ended. I'm going to get the kayak all set up, and we'll see you guys on the water. We're going to do a quick time and pinch check. Solid 43. High of 55 today. Hopefully the sun.
Now we have fish a square.
Garbage.
Well, it makes me feel better about myself if I'm not the only one not catching. Have a good day. Howdy. Come to your time again. Take care.
Garbage. Danger. Coming from over there and there. Alright, drain number 2. Guess that's its way of letting me know it's light and ready to go. Wow, pretty much just sitting in a pool of water right now. All these creepy little rock guy or something. I don't know. Maybe he's made out of clay. That looks like a good spot to drain. I'll tell you, if you put 4 inches of water in your kayak, it makes it super stable. That is drain number 3. What time is it? Let's see how many times we drain it and how long. Time check. 1:10. Almost been on the river for 2 hours. All right, time to drain. This looks like a good little hill right here. Woo, geyser. Oh man, look at that. All right, I'd say that's fine. Drain number 4. I'm really good at losing that camera. It's the second time today. Woo. Oh, you idiot, you dropped your ball in the water. You gonna go get it, or is it too cold? You mad, bro? Dog's pissed. Let me go help you out. You want your ball? I'm gonna get it for you. There you go, buddy. See ya. Have a good day, Tater. Oh, probably should have drained this a while back. This will be the 5th drain of the trip. Oh, look at this. An old mill. Something. Old paddle wheel. Oh, the gear's not turning. I guess it was a pump or something? That's pretty cool. Full speed ahead, Captain. Gonna bottom out. Whew. All right, so here's 306. We're gonna get out at 306. I was gonna go to Whitewater, but it's just not fun, and I need to go to Austin Kayak and Canoe before Monday, because we're gonna go down to the coast, and that wouldn't be fun. So I'm gonna get out here, and I will see y'all once I get back to my car. All right, finally made it back home. That was one of the most frustrating days I have had in a long time. I was excited. I got there, didn't realize there was a hole in my kayak, and then I couldn't fish. I was too busy either bilge pumping or putting it up on a bank, trying to drain it. So I had to take my kayak to Austin Canoe and Kayak. They're gonna go ahead and fix the hole, get it patched up. We're actually going kayaking again on Monday. We're going down to the coast. Luckily, Jason has the same kayak as me, so I went over to his house, picked his kayak up, and loaded it up. So I will see y'all on Monday.